Daniel here from dpMedia, and today I just got my Optima 4K projector with HDR capability, and it is the Optima UHD50X, and I am very excited. This would be my latest addition in upgrading my home theater, and this will finally put me in the latest and greatest of technology that is out there. So I'm very excited, and we're going to open up this box and I'm going to set up the projector in my home theater, and we're going to see what we can do, and we're going to enjoy the brilliance of 4K with HDR. Cool. It's all white. Alright, well, let's take this projector into my home theater and hook it up. It's all set up, it's ready to go. Let's turn it on. Whoa! It's really bright. Holy shit. Whoa! 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 This projector is super bright compared to my old one, especially the one I was just using, which was only 1,000 lumens. My other newer 1080, so my 480p projector was 1,000 lumens. My 1080 projector was 2,200 lumens. This is 3,500 lumens. And before, this sheet did not work very well at all. And I wanted to get a real screen, but for this scenario, I don't want to have to cut the material. So the sheet is going to have to work for now. But this sheet looks perfect. It makes the sheet come alive. This is amazing. Wow. Oh, goodness. Oh my gosh. I can only imagine what this is going to look like. Oh, wow.
Miss Cinder, don't let up.
Be quick. He is very strong.
Parker, help! Get over here. She can't hold much longer. Let's go.
Whoa. Yeah, I like this. Alright, let's check out Mandalorian in 4K with HDR.
Oh, you can see it turned on there. Oh, nice. It does look good. I didn't really know when I would ever see HDR. It's cool. Nice. Oh! Oh yeah. I could get used to this.
Well, I'm very excited. This looks great. Very impressed with this new projector. Very excited to continue watching more movies in 4K and HDR and getting the benefits of the upgrade. And yeah, this is great. If you like the video, press the like button, and if you're looking forward to more videos like this, please subscribe. Alright, thank you for watching. This is great.